Hi guys, welcome to my channel and today's video about this antique bedroom set. I start priming my pieces using Zinsser Cover Stain Primer. It's oil based. I'm using roller I got from Amazon and brush so I can cover as much as I can from the details to prevent any leaking. After priming my pieces, I start painting using Valspar Furniture Paint. It's actually different than the chalk paint. The chalk paint will give you a matte finish. For the Valspar Furniture Paint, it will give you satin finish, which is different. I do recommend that you prime your pieces before you use it because you're gonna definitely need like 3 coats to get a fine finish. I did notice when I start applying my paint, it looks like it's a gray, but it's actually not gray. Once it's dry, it will turn to a dark satin black color. Here you can see the paint start drying and turning to its real color, which is black. I did 1 coat on most of my pieces except for the parts where I didn't prime. I had to do 2 coats. For the French style, the legs, usually I always miss a small corner in the back of the legs. That's why I prefer that I flip it upside down and just paint, make sure that I didn't miss any spots. Same process for the bed. I tried as much as I can that I don't mess up the wood in the middle because it's gorgeous. So I just removed the the little stains from the paint with my paint thinner. I protected the middle part with polyurethane, oil base of course, and I kept it as is. I didn't touch it a lot. It was perfect. The color and everything, it wasn't damaged at all except for the corners. A little bit was coming off with a little bit wood glue. It was perfect. What I mean by left it as is, it means I didn't strip it or sand it down and restain it. No, this is the original antique stain color. I wanted to add a little bit goldish color to the set because it has a lot of details. So I added my Deco Art Elegant Finish Metallic Paint. It's Champagne Gold color. It's gorgeous. The effect that sponge gave me, it looks like gold leaf. For this part, all I was doing is dipping my sponge into my metallic paint and using the dabbing or tapping. Just keep tapping your sponge on your pieces and you will get that effect from the sponge, of course. I wanted the gold to be shiny a little bit and I didn't want it to be matte because for that reason I first protected my piece with polyacrylic water base, then I added the metallic finish. In that case I'll keep that shiny look to it, it was perfect for the set because with the wood and black color and that shiny champagne color was perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions. All the materials I used will be listed down in the description box. Check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.